Hey guys, MD95TSI here. How's everything going? So you guys, I told you Russell's on vacation this week, so we're up here to the park. I told you guys I think I'm ready for the park. I ain't gonna tell you how it's going. I'll just let you guys check out my footage that I'll post later and you tell me if you think it's going. So I bring out the Q500. Got a nice shot of the park here. Do a little bit of editing up on that and get some nice shots. I've always wanted to do that. We got all of our gear out here. It's nice out here today, just breezy, but that doesn't stop you. You know that, the race drones, man. So I've been, I'm not telling you, like I said, that pack's cooling down, let's just say that. It's not swollen, so it just got a little hot. You guys ready for the sweetness? Look at the sweetness. Look at this sexy monster here. Russell's on the green machine. He's realized that my goggles are beautiful.
Yeah, I could see the freaking world with these. Jesus.
Tell them guys what you can see. What with these?
Everything. Like,
Nay, you hear him?
compared to mine,
Nay.
these absolutely blew mine out of the water. Like,
Look,
almost makes me miss Fox Skywalker.
they might look like some road warriors, but look, they get the job done, guys. That's the green machine, if you guys don't know. I don't do much with her no more. Try to bring her out, fly her a little bit. I fell in love with Twitch and my black sheep now. But she's still my lady. Still love her. Got the red thing on top. We can get some green, take care of that. Yeah, just leave everything alone. I'll do everything.
Okay.
But yeah, there you guys have it. So, you got the Max over there. Black sheep and the green machine. Green machine. Did I say it like you, Bradley? Nah, you can say it better. Kaz, sexy. Don't look at this, Kaz. Here, get rid of that out of your mind. Sexy. Alright, you gotta unplug the drone and everything. Alright guys, I just wanted to share a little bit that we're out here having fun. Show you guys the transmitter here. Chris Sullivan. Chris Sullivan. Flies guy. No, I'm starting to really dig the Tyrannus, guys. I'm really starting to pick up on it. But it was cool last night. Chris was in talking about how he was the Fly Sky guy. So Chris, the Fly Sky. Dang. I think I deserved him. No. My brothers told me to get this transmitter, and this guy bought it for me for my birthday, which is next month. So in advance, I appreciate it. The stand is so far working phenomenal. I put it in. I'll hear a buzzing every now and again, but you gotta think, like I said, it's just trial and error. One that come out of a controller, so not bad. All right, guys, some Fat Shark Dominator V3s, Fat Shark Transformer, binocular style, Road Warrior it up. That's right. I showing this guy a little bit what I can do today. He just didn't. Hey, Josh, you don't understand. He just don't understand. No, he put the goggles on with me. I was trying to show him and I'm no pro. I just try to show him like split S and over a tree. He in his mind he wants to dive the tree. If you understand what I'm saying. So we all know if you go up and try to dive it, well, some people are very skillful. They dive tight and still tuck it and roll it, but not this guy, not me. I have to go out and throw it and give myself just a little bit. But I'm telling you guys what we did, didn't I? I said I wasn't gonna do that. So you gotta wait for the footage. The talking's talk, but footage is footage. You guys got props, huh? Props for days. I know, I don't have Withrow stash, but slowly coming. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Josh, we're out here enjoying this beautiful park. You all know all about that. Josh tried to hit a knife edge gate right here with those two big concrete walls before. Josh will send it. Pond, give you guys a shot at a pond here. Alright, show's over. Catch you on the flip.